The sun changes about every 11 years. And the way that this was first noticed was by looking at sunspots on the sun. So sunspots are darker regions in the sun, and if you see pictures of the bright part of the sun, you'll often see these dark spots on it. These are called sunspots. Any sunspot will only last a few days or a few weeks. But if you count the number of sunspots that occur on the sun for a whole year, you'll get a certain number. And if you do it for the next year, you get a number, and do it again and again and again. So people have done this for going back hundreds of years, actually. And what they found was that the number of sunspots will vary depending on the year. So one year there will be a whole lot of them. And then the following year there will be a little less. And then like 2 years later, there are even less. And then after about 5 or 6 or 7 years, there will be very few sunspots in the sun that they can count for the whole year. But then they go another 4 or 5 years, and then it gets back to being the large number again. So there's a cyclical variation where the number of sunspots goes from a lot to very little to a lot. And again, the period changes a little bit, but on average, it's about 11 years. So this is known as the 11-year sunspot cycle.